When it comes to digital media, there's no denying the power that video can have over your audience. But if you're looking to create a video that's truly impactful, then don't underestimate the power of kinetic typography. This style of typography can help bring animated video to life, evoke emotion for the viewer, catch attention in a short space of time, and deliver a powerful message simply and visually. If you're looking to create an energetic and fast-paced video, we've collected the 10 best kinetic typography templates for After Effects. Take your videos to the next level with impressive kinetic video templates from Envato Elements, a subscription-based service providing music, sound effects, video templates, fonts, and more to enhance your video projects. Number 10. Kinetic Typo by dearts. This After Effects kinetic typography template is perfect for storyboarding, corporate marketing videos, and academic projects. The template includes sleek titles and modern text that are sure to engage viewers of your next presentation. Number 9. Kinetic Typography by Twoheaded. Attract your target audience with this bold, fast kinetic typography template. Ideal for use in social media ads and video headers, these motion graphics use trending text effects that work with any font. From YouTube to Instagram and every platform in between, you can count on Kinetic Typography by Twoheaded to get your project done. Number 8. Kinetic Typography by Promak. Promote your products with style and success by using this easily customizable, fast kinetic typography template. Designed for use in Instagram stories and IGTV videos, this modular vertical video template is available in full HD to ensure your next project is crisp and clean. Number 7. Kinetic Titles by imleany. Breathe life into your next video or presentation with these stunning kinetic typography titles for After Effects. You can easily add quick, modern titles, customize colors, and capture people's attention with a clean and minimal design. This template provides engaging and high-energy After Effects motion graphics that won't distract from your content. Number 6. Kinetic Typography by Real Motion. Compatible with After Effects and Premiere Pro, this kinetic typography pack uses sensational motion graphics ideal for social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram. If you enjoy a little brutalism in your design, then this is the perfect pack for you. Have you been enjoying our list of Envato Elements' top 10 kinetic typography templates? Let us know by hitting those like and subscribe buttons. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Number 5. Kinetic Typography by Alexwish. Transform your marketing and fashion videos with bold text and a modern design. Ideal for professional and commercial projects, these kinetic titles are modern, minimal, and impactful. If you want your text to be strong and dynamic, this template is the one for you. Download this pack and enhance your project. Number 4. Kinetic Typography by TherealistNetwork. No matter the platform, this kinetic typography template is perfect for social media ads and video posts. The template includes popular effects like noise, VHS, infrared effects, and many more. Animate your logo or upload a crisp HD video to your Instagram story. Either way, this 2-in-1 typography pack won't disappoint. Number 3. Kinetic Titles by YETYYY. Total customization is what this next item brings. Compatible with any font and any background, you can easily implement your own style and brand voice into these professionally designed text animations. With this template by YETYYY, you control the color and duration of text as well as the size. Number 2. Kinetic Typography by JustUp. Easily announce store-wide sales and new products with this abstract kinetic typography template. Perfect for use on sites like TikTok and Instagram, this template features smooth animations, eye-catching effects, and fast kinetic typography. It's guaranteed to elevate your next video project. Number 1. Kinetic Typography by YETYYY. Topping our list at number 1, These kinetic posters and titles are perfect for your next brand ad or social media video. You can't go wrong with a bold and beautiful kinetic video template. And there you have it, our top 10 Envato Elements kinetic typography templates for After Effects. Now you have everything you need to take your next video project to new heights. Let us know in the comments below which Envato Elements template you're most excited to try. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to show your support by liking and subscribing. And click the video in the corner of this screen to keep watching. See you soon!